Something happens and acceptance is equal to peace and positive emotion. Acceptance is equal to peace. Something happens and non-acceptance is equal to anger and negative emotion. Non-acceptance is equal to anger. When I am facing uncertainty and I do not accept it, it becomes fear. When I accept uncertainty, it becomes adventure. If you do not want to face uncertainty, you will not take part in any adventure activity. Uncertainty ahead is equal to opportunity ahead. Somebody has something in his life which I do not have, and if I do not accept it, I become jealous. Instead, if I accept it, it becomes inspiration. One day I will have it, one day I will achieve it. Somebody has hurt me and I do not accept it, it becomes hatred. And if I accept it, it becomes forgiveness. If somebody is mentally present and physically absent with you, and if you do not accept it, you will say, I miss you. It is negative emotion. And if you accept it, you will say, I am thinking about you all the time. It is positive emotion. Enjoy weather it may be. In rain, enjoy singing and dancing. Enjoy swimming or shower in hot. Enjoy hiking in cold. Accept weather, don't react. Accept whatever it may be. Your wife and children, your brothers, sister and relatives, your friends and neighbors, your boss, subordinates and colleagues. As it is, don't react. Something plus non-acceptance is equal to negative emotion. Something plus acceptance is equal to positive emotions. Ask yourself, why am I not accepting which is disturbing me? At that moment, non acceptance will turn into acceptance, and negative emotion will turn into positive emotion. Hatred will turn into forgiveness, jealousy turn into aspiration, fear into adventure, and anger will turn into tolerance. Remember that nobody is making you angry or disturbed, but your non acceptance is making you angry or disturbed. Start accepting things as it is and transform your life into happiness with positive emotions. Transform your life into happiness by accepting anything. Thanks for watching Kulin Desai.